Back to the charts for Big Boss Crypto, and today we'll once again take a look at HBAR and price prediction targets for HBAR for the next bull run. We'll take a look at the chart right there for HBAR where we're at right now, and possibly where we might head to our top target in the next bull run. So without further ado, let's look at the charts. Alright, so we got the HBAR chart right here on the monthly time frame, and as you can see right here, we had a pretty good bull run for HBAR from 2020 up to the peak of 2021, where we went all the way up from like 3 cents roughly all the way up to 57 cents. But as we can see right here, like with every other coin, this bear market has hit the HBAR pretty hard. And as you can see right here, we have been in this accumulation range for over a year right now. We're since June of last year, we've been ranging all around between 7 cents roughly all the way down to 3 cents right here. So we're in an accumulation phase right now. So right now, not financial advice, but right now is probably a good time to stock up on HBAR for the next bull run, which is basically what the big institutions and whales always do cyclically. But the question is then, what will our top targets be for next bull run? Well, as you can see right here, we have our Fibonacci levels drawn right here from the all-time high to the low that we had in December of last year. And I fully expect that we will at least firstly retrace to the golden ratio right here, which is 0.618 fib, about 37 cents roughly. We will be rejected. Basically, we will hit resistance right here, be rejected, hold support in the lower fib levels, retest the resistance, gold back resistance again, and retest that support this time. And then when we hold the support, we'll basically march upwards to our impulsive targets. But the question is then, what are our impulsive targets? Well, if we zoom further out, we firstly got our impulsive targets right here, which are very, very minimal and conservative targets, which range in between 72 cents to 91 cents right here. But I fully expect HBAR to at least reach its 4.246 Fibonacci extension, which is all the way up at $2.32. Because if you don't know, basically in every single bull run that we had previously historically, when Bitcoin reaches its 4.246 extension, it means basically that we have topped out for the bull run cycle. And usually with altcoins, they usually tend to outperform their own 4.246 extension several times. So basically, HBAR, it is very conservative targets as who knows? I mean, I can fully expect HBAR to reach between $3 to $4, which might sound too good to be true, but it is possible, and several altcoins have performed really good previously in the previous bull runs. And basically, if we measure from our levels where we're at roughly, I can fully expect that we will at least make a 5,000% gains from the current price levels we are at right now, which is obviously a great return on investment. Now, some people might say it's an unrealistic target and it's too good to be true and it's a moon boy target, etc., etc. But we have to remember that basically crypto is in its infant stages right now, and we're basically waiting for the huge shift to take place, which is basically tokenization of every single asset around the globe. And a perfect way to illustrate this is this chart right here, which we have shown many times, which is made by Boston Consulting Group, one of the smartest and talented consultants in the world, where they say that tokenization of global assets is estimated to be at least $16 trillion for business by 2030. And it's a highly conservative forecast, as in best case scenario, it has the potential to reach $68 trillion, which is obviously huge. And looking at where we're at right now, 2023, we're only at $0.6 trillion roughly. And looking at only to the conservative target, which is $16 trillion, that's a huge gain from where we're at right now, and basically a lot of room to grow. So obviously the big players, the big institutions, financial institutions and whales are waiting in the sidelines, and they are talking about tokenization. And what other coin is better than tokenization than HBAR, obviously? And not only that, if you're still not convinced, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, which basically is one of the biggest firms in the world, controls many powerful companies. They also agree that tokens are the next generation for markets, and that tokenization is key to basically make their own business and basically all kinds of business and trade all around the world become much more effective. So Be on the lookout for that one. I believe that HBAR might possibly reach those targets in the next bull run. That's all from me. Thanks so much for your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, or leave a dislike if you didn't. Please note that this is not financial or investment advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is Big Boss Crypto, the real of crypto YouTubers. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Big Boss out.